Awning windows are a popular choice for Mandeville homeowners thanks to their ability to provide ventilation even during rain and their strong seal against humidity. However, like any home upgrade, their performance depends heavily on proper installation. Even high-quality windows can fall short if common mistakes are made during the process. Understanding these issues, and how to avoid them, can help ensure your investment delivers long-term comfort and reliability. One of the most common mistakes is improper measurements. Awning windows must fit precisely within the opening to function correctly. If the measurements are off, even by a small amount, gaps can form around the frame. In Mandeville's humid climate, these gaps can allow moisture and warm air to enter, reducing energy efficiency and potentially leading to damage over time. To avoid this, it's important to rely on accurate measurements taken by professionals who understand how to account for structural variations. Another frequent issue is poor sealing. Awning windows rely on a tight seal to keep out air and moisture when closed. If installers fail to apply proper sealants or insulation around the frame, leaks can occur. This can lead to drafts, water intrusion, and even mold growth in humid conditions. Using high-quality weather stripping and ensuring all edges are properly sealed helps create a strong barrier against the elements. Incorrect installation angle is another mistake that can impact performance. Awning windows are designed to open outward at a specific angle to allow ventilation while blocking rain. If they are installed improperly, they may not shed water effectively, defeating one of their main advantages. Ensuring the window is level and installed according to manufacturer specifications is key to maintaining proper function. Ignoring the condition of the existing window opening is another problem homeowners should be aware of. Before installing a new awning window, the surrounding frame and structure should be inspected for damage such as rot, moisture buildup, or warping. Installing a new window over a compromised structure can lead to long-term issues and reduce the lifespan of the window. Addressing these concerns beforehand creates a solid foundation for the installation. Another common mistake is using the wrong materials or hardware. Awning windows require durable components that can withstand frequent use and exposure to humidity. Low-quality hinges, cranks, or fasteners may wear out quickly or fail to provide a secure closure. Choosing high-quality hardware ensures smooth operation and long-lasting performance. Ventilation placement is also sometimes overlooked. While awning windows are excellent for airflow, placing them in areas where airflow is restricted can limit their effectiveness. For example, installing them too close to obstructions or in areas without cross-ventilation reduces their ability to circulate fresh air. Planning placement carefully helps maximize their benefits. Skipping professional installation is another major mistake. While DIY projects can be appealing, awning window installation requires precision and expertise. Improper alignment, sealing, or fastening can lead to performance issues that are difficult to fix later. Professional installers have the experience and tools needed to ensure the job is done correctly the first time. Another issue is rushing the installation process. Proper installation involves multiple steps, including measuring, preparing the opening, sealing, and testing the window. Skipping or rushing any of these steps can result in poor performance. Taking the time to complete each step carefully ensures the window functions as intended. Failure to test the window after installation is also a common oversight. Awning windows should open and close smoothly, seal tightly, and lock securely. Testing these functions immediately after installation helps identify any issues early, allowing them to be corrected before they become bigger problems. Finally, neglecting maintenance after installation can reduce the lifespan of your windows. While awning windows are generally low maintenance, occasional cleaning and checking of seals and hardware help keep them in good condition. In Mandeville's climate, this simple upkeep can prevent long-term issues. In the end, avoiding common awning window installation mistakes comes down to attention to detail and proper planning. By ensuring accurate measurements, using quality materials, and relying on professional installation, Mandeville homeowners can enjoy the full benefits of their windows. With the right approach, awning windows provide reliable ventilation, protection from the elements, and long-lasting comfort for years to come.